In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card account on Xero. Now, if you're looking to streamline your financial operations and make tracking your expenses a breeze, linking your credit card to Xero is a great step. Let's dive into it together with clear, easy-to-follow instructions to ensure you feel confident in tackling this task. First, direct your attention to the top bar in your Xero dashboard where you'll find the Accounting option. Click on this, and you'll notice a drop-down list presenting itself. From this list, go ahead and select Bank Accounts. This will take you to a page where all your existing bank accounts are displayed. It's essentially a summary of what you have connected or added, allowing you to keep tabs on your financial accounts with ease. Now, to add your credit card account, you'll want to find the Add Bank Account button. Clicking on this will initiate the process for linking another financial account to your Xero dashboard. Once you enter this section, you'll be prompted to search for your credit card provider among the available options listed. It's usually a simple search tool, so just start typing the name of your credit card provider and it should pop up in the list. Once you locate your provider, click on it. What happens next is that Xero will show you the specific instructions to connect the bank feed. Each provider may have slightly different requirements or steps for authentication and security, as this part involves setting up a direct link between your financial institution and Xero. Follow those provider-specific instructions carefully to ensure that the bank feed is properly connected. Of course, if you prefer not to connect your account automatically, or if your provider isn't listed, Xero also gives you the option to skip this step altogether. By choosing to skip, you're choosing to manage the transactions yourself. This means you will need to either manually input each transaction or import them in bulk using a file upload option. It's a bit more hands-on, but gives you greater control over the exact data that's entered. And there you have it. Whether you've opted to connect your credit card directly for automated bank feeds or chosen the manual route, you've successfully set up the framework to add a credit card account on Xero. With this task complete, keeping an eye on your credit card expenditures becomes more manageable, ensuring your finances remain organized and transparent. Thanks for joining me today, and happy accounting!